All right. Williams, Philippines. It is February 22nd, Saturday of 2025. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. And not eating chili while wearing a white shirt from work. Because, yeah, chili on white shirt. I pulled a dumbass. It's in there drip drying right now. Yeah. Hey, sometimes we just gotta dance in the middle of the road. I was hungry. I wanted chili. I have a bunch of chili. I went to town. Got another bowl. About to go off into it. Got some cheese on top of it. Problem is, I messed up another dang white shirt. I really need to not eat while wearing my work clothes. Because white shirts just do not get clean easy. It is what it is. Okay, yeah, sometimes even I get off in the middle of stupid. I know better. I'm horrible when it comes down to eating. I make messes. I should know better. I still do it. We all have our monsters to slay or ignore. Anyway, it is what it is. Boy, uh, yeah. Apparently, there's a bit of a problem going on with folks overseas that are getting a proof of life letter from Social Security. And come February, they don't get their paycheck, or January, they don't get their paycheck, and they're screaming bloody murder. And, well, somebody else is trying to blame it on Trump. Hmm. I don't file a piece of paper, but it's Trump's fault. Seriously? Dumb people. Trying to blame somebody else for something that happened. Oh, because they didn't take care of their own problem. This is why I have, oh yeah, a stained shirt. Because I didn't take care of the problem beforehand. I created it. I ain't blaming other people for it. My bad. But yeah, I bet they pay attention to those letters next time. Start wondering, well, where is it? Just saying. Painful moments have a tendency to get your attention and educate you. Bumper. Mm. Anyway, one of the things I was caught somebody that was talking to Dan uh, as to maybe retiring. Well, I did. I retired officially. My Social Security starts, and I'm ready for it to start. Uh, we are not guaranteed tomorrow, ever. We're not guaranteed one more second. So, in my case, I've said this before, you know, the men on my dad's side, we die up early, like clockwork. I'm hoping to make it to my mom's side. A lot of long lives there. We're not guaranteed past right this minute or right this second. Asteroid could fall out the sky, hit my house, kill me. We aren't guaranteed the future. We prepare for the future as best we can. We try to build for it, plan for it, but we're not guaranteed it. All we can do is learn from the past, make today as good as we can so that it might try to make tomorrow better. But we're not guaranteed tomorrow. So grab today. While it's today, it's the present. We can either choose to enjoy the present and be in it, or waste it. I have no desire to waste the present. That's why I'm making my plans for being out of here in 5 months. Right at. I am so ready to go. And if I thought I could get away with it without shooting myself in the foot any more than what I already have by being my butt on Stupid Street, yeah, I'd already be gone. But I got better sense than to shoot myself again in the foot for my own stupidity. So I wait, I get my payments coming in, I work until July, and bang, I'm gone. Get to go and enjoy life. Yeah. So choose your life, live it, because we ain't guaranteed tomorrow. We don't know what tomorrow brings. You know, I saw some guy that's over in the Philippines and he's recovering from cancer in his sinus and got his face all messed up, his nose all messed up. Oi, fix what you can. Try to enjoy today as best as you can and try to make tomorrow, plan for tomorrow to try to make it as good as today or better. But always remember, your past is past. There's nothing else you can do about it. It's over. You got right this minute, right now. Do it. Do your life. Live your life to the best of your ability. Don't let other people decide for you. It's your life. Live it. I'm planning on doing my life for me, and I'm going to enjoy my life. Like I said, I want to go fishing. I want to go catch fish. If I die off, early, well, I'm on a tropical island fishing. If I get to shoot for long life, I die at 85, fishing, having caught a few big fish. Yay, bonus! I'm on a tropical island fishing. You know what they say about a day of fishing, right? A bad day of fishing is better than most everything else. Well, I intend on going and enjoying and having some real good days. So I'm planning for the future. I'm doing what I can to do today to make it a better future. And enjoying being in the present. And well, the present right now is wafting up into my nose the wonderful smell of a bowl of chili. And only problem I have with that is the exit has been a little on the fiery side. I might have made it a hair too hot. Self-inflicted injury. Anyway, I'm William, Williams, Philippines. Lots of love here. Enjoy life. Live it. Live. It's you. Go. Love the present. Live the present. Anyway, lots of food, friends, and family for your weekend. And hey, some more food. Some more food. Anyway, I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.